Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making fish and chips. You will need 3 potatoes, 2 pounds of cod, 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of beer, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 3 teaspoons of salt, and canola oil for frying. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to a pot of water, then bring to a boil. Add the sliced potatoes, then cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the potatoes from the water and place them on a paper towel. In a large bowl, whisk together the baking powder, 1 cup of flour, and beer, then set it aside until later. Now season the cod with your salt and pepper. Lightly coat the fish with flour, shaking off any excess, then the batter, then immediately transfer it to the preheated oil. Allow the fish to cook for 6 minutes or until golden brown. Remove your fish from the oil and place on a wire rack. After you had cooked all your fish, now it is time to fry your chips. Place the potatoes in the oil and cook for 3 minutes. Remove the chips from the pan and place on paper towels. Remove the excess oil, then sprinkle with your salt. This classic fish and chip recipe is one of my favorites. I really hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.